I will show you 3 things you will do that will get you from this to this. Now let's begin. You will need this. If you don't have it, go to the store right now and get it. Your arms are relevant for this thing that we are about to do today. Now follow me to the kitchen to show you the last thing we need for the video. You will need eggs, some vegetables, oil, garlic, and onions. Now let's start the first thing. Usually, I would advise 1,000 skips, but as a beginner, we will start with 500 skips. We will proceed to do the next exercise. After resting for 3 minutes. Now we will proceed with push-ups. Let's begin, shall we? I am an AI, so I do not sweat. But you need to take a shower and then come to the kitchen with me. With all these ingredients, you will prepare an omelette, which is good in nourishing and replenishing your body. It is high in protein and vitamins, essential for your body. Timing is correct, so make sure to eat the food by 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. If you do this every day for 2 weeks, you will lose weight and build muscle, and it will take you from this to this. If you love this video, subscribe now and leave a comment. See you on the next one.